Hi, Jamie Dury here at the Auckland Home Show, here to tell you a little bit about VEGEPOD. And I've got to say, it is absolutely bursting with life, and New Zealanders cannot get enough of this incredible little device. Now, the VEGEPODs are not only at waist height when you pop them on a stand, but they also sit on wheels. And the great thing about it is, you can pop these little covers straight over the top. The irrigation system sits inside, so it waters through. It's got a reservoir on the base here that holds a reservoir of water. And when you actually pop these over the top, think about it. No birds, no possums, no slugs, no snails, no white butterflies. It's all organic and no chemicals. Now we've got to think about zero chemicals when we control the food that goes into our children's mouths. And there's no better way to get the kids engaged in gardening than actually using one of these VEGEPODs. Now you can do a small one like this, which is about half size, and you can see in the base here that there's actually a reservoir of water that is around about 3 inches deep. Now that ensures that when you guys go on a little holiday, this thing continues to water itself via a wicking system with the perlite in the base, where it actually comes through the organic matter and keeps the soil nice and moist exactly the way we like it. And of course, when you pop these things over the top, the light refracts through this shade cloth and it absolutely just decorates the plants with the best light possible. I cannot tell you how fast things grow in these things. We've got lettuce, we've got herbs, we've got a whole bunch of things. You can do a double, you can do a normal size pod. I've got one like this at home, and that feeds a family of 4. I can't rave about them enough. Oh, of course, the herbs. Abundance of them here. I've got parsley, marjoram, I've got lettuce, I've got all sorts of beautiful things here, and that makes it just so much tastier. This really is the most simple way to grow your own food and get the kids into garden. So come to the Auckland Home Show, or go to vegepod.co.nz and get gardening.